Hello, hello. So yes, pests of the feline persuasion are a whole headache, but thankfully I have solutions for you that I would literally bet my farm on. And what I mean by that is, I got chicky babies, so I literally can't have cats just walking all willy-nilly on my farm. So these are things that are tried and true on my farm, all right? So very first thing, if you are a coffee drinker, save those coffee grounds. Cats do not like coffee grounds, so go ahead and place those coffee grounds all around your garden. I don't know what it is. They don't want to touch it, all right? I've seen it for myself. They'll literally go like, what is this? I can't touch it. Don't understand it, but know it works. So put down some coffee grounds. In addition to that, if you happen to like oranges, go ahead and put those orange peelings all throughout your garden area. Cats do not like citrus smells. So if you don't like oranges, if you eat lemons or, have lemons just around, once again, those lemon peelings, or go ahead and just get you something that is citrus scented and spray it and put it all around your garden. The cats will leave your stuff alone. In addition to that, you can plant things like thyme, lavender, and lemon balm. Those 3 herbs will also keep cats away. All right, so as I said, these are things that I have done on my farm that I bet the farm and my chicky baby's life on it. All right, once again, to recap, coffee grounds, orange peels, citrus scents, lemon balm, thyme, and lavender. All right, those are 6 things that'll keep those feline pests out your garden.